One of my favorite case series for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 last year was the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Style. And I'm happy to say that I've got it again, and this time it's for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and also available for the Note 10 Plus. You can pick it up for $19. It comes in blue or black, and it has a lot of different features going for it, like the MIL-STD Drop Protection rating. So lots of good things to dive into. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Unicorn Beetle Style by SUPCASE for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with the Unicorn Beetle Style for the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. As you can see, it hugs onto the phone nicely. It's got the nice recessed case around the edges there, so it is open on the side so you can get full access to the curved edge display that is a staple of the Note series lineup. As well as that, it has a nice slim form factor to it, but it still has deep enough recessed cutouts on it for the cameras on the back, and it offers great protection. It has MIL-STD Drop Protection rating, in fact, which gives you 4 feet of drop protection, which is pretty good, especially considering the case is very lightweight. Now, it's got nice, precise cutouts. It's got a slim, reliable design that doesn't skimp on protection. Anti-scratch back panel made out of polycarbonate, so you have extra security there, but you can also see through and see the underlying color of your phone. So whatever color you choose to go with for your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, you're going to be able to show it off to the whole world, and you're still going to be able to see it, enjoy it yourself, and keep it nice and protected. As you can see, it pops into the case nicely there. You really don't have any issues with it, but it's also nice and snug. It really wraps onto the phone well, so you don't have to worry about it popping off. Now, it doesn't have any protruding buttons. It has these flush buttons, which are nice. They're textured. You've got the plus and the minus sign for the volume. It's textured as well for the power button. But you can see there, it's nice and smooth. You've got a lanyard loop cut out there if you want to put a wrist strap on it. On the bottom, you have nice, easy access to get to the USB charging port, as well as the stylus, which is super important because one of the great reasons for getting the Note is, of course, the stylus. And then on the right-hand side, it's completely smooth. There are no buttons over there. You have cutouts on the top so you can get the access to the microphone so it picks up your voice when you're on telephone calls. And then, like I said, it's got the recessed cutout protection on the back for the LED flash, as well as the triple camera setup, which is super important because that's one of the bread and butter features of this phone. You don't want to scratch up your cameras, and they give you a great way to keep those protected here. Now, in addition to that, you have this raised protective lip on the front of the case as well. So what that does is it has extra material around the edges, so if you place your phone down, face down on a flat surface just like this, you don't have to worry about scratching up your screen. Of course, you want to put a screen protector on it as soon as you can to make sure that it's safe, but this case, straight out of the gate, will give you the protection that you need to make sure that if you set it down, you don't have to worry about scratching it up. So like I said, you can pick them up. There's 2 different colors, either black or you can get this blue one. The blue one's not showing on the website as of right now, but it is available as you can see here. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest and greatest. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.